Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for gently prying open the fob. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having these items on hand will make the process smooth and quick. A well-lit, clean surface is also helpful to prevent losing small parts. Now, let's get your key fob open. Begin by removing the physical key. There's usually a small button on the side to release it. Once the key is out, look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the fob. This is where you'll insert your small flathead screwdriver. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note which way the positive, or plus, side is facing. This is important for correct installation of the new battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, carefully insert the fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide your physical key back into its slot. Once everything is back together, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.